Habitats Explored, Episode 3, Salt Marshes. Hello and welcome back to Tea in the Deep Blue Sea with me, Victoria. Welcome to Episode 3 of Habitats Explored, What are Salt Marshes? I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you very much for clicking on my link. So salt marshes are coastal wetlands that are flooded and drained by salt water brought in by the tides. The water may be salty or brackish, somewhat salty, due to the water runoff. The water comes from where it is regularly flooded by the tides. The soil may be composed of deep mud and peat, making them quite marshy environments. These environments can have extremely low oxygen levels in the sediment, known as hypoxia, due to the plant material decomposing in the peat. The growth of bacteria that causes the hypoxia also produces the sulphurous rotten egg smell, commonly associated with marshes. A salt marsh begins when mud and silt are deposited along a sheltered part of the coastline. This is because the rates of deposition are greater than the transportation due to the lack of energy in the waves. Over time, the deposition builds up, creating mud flats. Some saltwater tolerant plants will begin to grow and help hold the sediment and mud together. As it accumulates, it gets covered by the tide less. Rain washes out some of the salt. With the salt concentration now being lower, more plants will begin to grow. The dominant flora is composed of halophytic plants such as grasses, shrubs and herbs. Salt marshes are also home to a variety of species such as small mammals, fishes, birds, spiders, insects and marine invertebrates. These habitats are essential for healthy coastlines, fisheries and communities. They provide food, refuge and an important nursery habitat for many commercially fished species. They can also help protect our shorelines from erosion by buffering wave action and trapping sediments. They reduce flooding by slowing and absorbing rainwater and protect water quality by filtering runoff and metabolising excess nutrients. Threats facing these important habitats include eutrophication due to agricultural waste, which is where an environment has excess nutrients causing harmful algal blooms, creating low oxygen and dead zones, where not much, if anything, can survive. Other threats include coastal erosion, industrial pollution and urbanisation. These are also risks alongside embanking, which removes the habitat from tidal inundation. The salt marsh is destroyed when converted to other uses, notably conversion to intensive agriculture. I hope you've enjoyed learning about salt marshes, and if you did, make sure to like and comment down below, and if you aren't already, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell for notifications. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye bye for now.